This is how we do it.
This is how we do it.
Keep both legs together as you lower the legs toward the floor. If you want to make this more difficult, you can keep your legs straight. This is focusing on the obliques, and it's an excellent release for your lower back.
This is how we do it. It's Friday night, and I feel alright. The party's here on the west side, so I reach for my 40 and I turn it up. Designated driver, take the keys to my truck. Hit the shop cause I'm faded. Honey's in the streets, say money, yo, we made it. It feels so good in my hood tonight. The summertime skirts and the guys ain't canine. All the gangbangers forgot about the drive-by. You gotta get your groove on before you go get paid. So tip up your cup and throw your hands up and let me hit a party. Say, I'm kinda buzzed and it's all because
This is how we do it.
South Central does it like nobody does.
This is how we do it.
To all my neighbors.
Side plank position, resting on your elbow and your knee. Hold that top leg straight and lift it as high as you can. This is focusing on your obliques and also your glutes.
All hands are in the air and wave on from here to there. If you're an OG Mac or a wannabe player, you see the hood's been good to me ever since I was a lowercase G. But now I'm a big G. The girls think I got the money, $100 bills, y'all. If you were from where I'm from, then you would know that I gotta get mine in a big black truck. You can get yours in a 6-4. Whatever it is, the party's underway. So tip up your cup and throw your hands up and let me hear the party say, I'm kind of buzzed, so because
This is how we do it.
South Central does it like nobody does.
This is how we do it.
To all my neighbors, you got much flavor.
This is how we do it.
Let's flip the track.
Reverse crunches. Lift your hips as high as you can, lower down with control. If you want to make this harder, take your arms off of the floor.
All this love waiting just for you. I just gotta know that your love is true. Can't keep running, boy, in and out my life. Wanna be your girl, not 'cause the mood is right. If I let you come inside tomorrow, will you hide? Will you be there for me when I need someone to hold? Baby, don't misunderstand. I do want you for my man. I just need a little time before I invest my love. Don't walk away.
Twisted crunch. Drop both knees to the side and do a crunch straight to the center. Think about lifting your chin to the ceiling.
I'll be right there for you. All the things that I like to hear. You push on my buttons, baby. Love to have you close to me. Wanna feel your love. Wanna be for sure that it's me you need, baby. Each and every night. If I let you come inside tomorrow, will you hide? Will you be there for me when I need someone to hold? Baby, don't misunderstand. I do want you for my man. I just need a little time before I invest my love. Don't walk away. Don't walk away. My love won't hurt.
Lean back abs. Start in the seated upright position. Lean back as far as you can without touching the floor. Challenge yourself by seeing how far back you can lean.
Don't misunderstand. I want you for my man. I need a little time before I give you my love. Don't walk away.
It feels good, yeah. It feels good. Oh, it feels good.
Resting on your knees, walking your hands as far forward as you can, and then bringing them back to the start position.
Special times alone just don't ever change, 'cause I'm so into you, and you know it feels good, know that you're by my side. It feels good to know that you're there for me. It feels good to know that you always be around. It feels good to know you love me for me. Sure feels good to me.
Great job. See you next time.
The last night was so fun, loving 101. I was holding you